Hi. Today we will give you a tutorial on providing location permission for the first time on the ResQ TRX driver app. Open the ResQ TRX driver app. Log into your account. You will be prompted to give location permission. Tap on OK. Tap on Let's set the permission. On the settings, tap on Permission. Tap on Location. Go back to the app home screen and now you can tap on Need Repair on the home screen. Set your location if your current location is not set. Provide a vehicle and tell us about the issue. Upload a photo and click on Submit. A support ticket will be launched and mechanics nearby will be sent a job offer request. Thanks for watching the video.